girl 313 Retro Queen. As you can see, I am a little in a different spot. But I just wanted to get a video out to you guys today. It's an unboxing mixed with a surprise, mixed with a gift giving. So just wanted to give a shout out to this special young man and let him know how much I appreciated him. And during this time, most teenagers would be having a complete fit, not being able to be around their friends. But my son has adapted to the situation. He is doing his homework. Yes, he still has to do homework because his counts. We're not going to slack off. Even if it didn't, we'd still be doing it. And he was okay with that. He's just a great kid. I don't have to ask him to do certain things. I have to tell him to do things twice. You know, he'll wash the dishes without asking. He'll help his brother. Just, you know, we're here. The three of us are here in the house. We're all we have. And, you know, I just wanted to let him know how much I appreciate him stepping up during this time of uncertainty. So, before we jump off in the video, you guys hit the like button, drop me a comment, subscribe, share this video, because it is a little bit of awesomeness in an otherwise an awesome time. So who has the heat? We do that on my show here now. Thursdays is the pre-battle face-off, and Saturdays is the actual sneaker battle. We go on at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is myself, McFly KOF, E-Money Shoes, and PM Kicks, and we host the show and the battle. So go ahead, subscribe, check us out.
I'm sorry.
I got a knife right there. Got a little baby shirt on though.
I forgot.
What you doing? There you go. Open the, undo the tape right there. No, no, no. What the hell? What? I'm almost worried about you. Why I still got that banner up for Donnie's birthday month almost over.
It fell out.
What fell out?
So like some Jordans. US 11s. But right now. So you did get them. Where you get them from?
Restock. I wasn't able to get them at first, and then they just re-dropped. They just restocked on Foot Locker.
They red?
Huh?
They red?
What are you talking about? What
The
they?
shoes, I thought they were like green. Oh.
They have black ones in it and red ones. They come with an extra set of strings.
I'm about to say, why are they red?
Dude, you've seen me open up 50 million pairs of ones.
I'm about to say, why are they
Extra
red?
strings. Damn.
Let me see.
All right. Straight to foot then.
Oh, that was sweet.
I told you.
Dion, put the knife down, please. What you mean, why? You don't need it? And I'm watching you handle it right around them shoes. And you about to slice the whole leather open on it.
Oh, you can chill now. Like, we got it.
These sweet. Which ones are these?
Pine Green 2.0.
Why 2.0?
Because the first one, they had the first ones come out last year. 2
I
years
thought
ago.
it was because of this. It's not because of that. That's always been like that.
It's always a Wings logo on the ones. That's just a patch now.
Oh.
You about to straighten the boys up and put them on your feet?